Hello and welcome to the Surface 11 Search Box tutorial series, made especially for interior designers and architects like you to access the world's finest award-winning materials and surfaces. This is tutorial 2, how to run a product search. To conduct a search, remember you can select multiple filters as well as multiple options within each filter. Let's demonstrate that for you now. Say you want to view our range of black and gray colored ceramic and porcelain tiles. In this case, you would work with category and color. Let's choose ceramics and porcelain. Once you have made your selection, click the Done button. Now let's select our preferred color ranges. We want blacks and grays. As you can see, you can choose multiple colors. You'll notice a number indicating the number of options you've selected. So here under category, we selected one option, which was ceramics and porcelain. In color, we selected two options, blacks and grays. You're now ready to run this query, so you can go ahead and click on the Search Now button. That's it for tutorial 2, how to run a product search.